Hello guys, meron tayong gagawing upholstery guys. Ito super grandia. Captain chair to guys, lalagyan ng bed. Lalagyan siya ng cabinet. Customize. Ayan guys, ginagawa. Ito guys, mag-upholstery yan. Lalagyan natin ng bagong seat cover yung upuan sa harap. Yung second seat niya gawing rotating so pasalok ko yung ginagawa ngayon, hindi pa natapos ito, kaya upholstery natin. See guys, hanggang dito lang muna guys.